Welcome to Pathway Pearls, a serene journey through the depths of self-awareness and transformation. Today, we delve into a profound exploration, one that resonates with the quest for unlimited opportunities, better relationships, a healthy body, a forgiving heart, a clear-thinking mind, and sufficient wealth. These aspirations, universal in their appeal, often remain elusive. Why? The answer lies within us, whispered by an inner voice that, more often than not, leans towards the negative. This voice, a subtle yet powerful force, frequently convinces us of our inadequacies. It sows seeds of doubt, telling us we're not smart enough, strong enough, or good enough. This unseen adversary, by stifling our potential, becomes a barrier to the life we rightfully deserve. Its effects can spiral into anxiety and depression, shadowing the brilliance we are capable of. But fear not, for the key to conquering this internal challenge is within your grasp. The journey to mastering this voice is neither easy nor straightforward, but it is essential, transformative, and ultimately rewarding. The dialogue you engage in with yourself shapes your reality. It can either be a steadfast ally or a formidable foe. The incessant negative self-talk, if left unchecked, can lead you down a path devoid of light, draining your dreams and aspirations. Yet, it's crucial to remember that the power to alter this narrative lies within you. If you let this negative voice dominate, failure becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Consider the inspiring tales of Thomas Edison and J.K. Rowling. Edison's journey to invent the electric light bulb was marked by thousands of failures. Had he succumbed to his inner critic, the world might have lingered in darkness. Yet he persisted, famously stating, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Similarly, Rowling's path to creating the beloved Harry Potter series was fraught with hardships. As a single mother facing financial struggles and depression, she could have easily drowned in despair and negativity. But she chose to persevere, to harness her inner strength, and transform her dialogue from self-doubt to self-belief. These stories serve as powerful reminders of the importance of controlling our inner dialogue. It is the difference between succumbing to despair and rising to success. Rowling once said, "Anything's possible if you've got enough nerve." This belief, this unyielding conviction in the face of adversity, is what we must strive to cultivate within ourselves. Now, let us understand the types of negative self-talk and learn how to overcome them. Filtering, for instance, is when you magnify the negative aspects of a situation while ignoring the positives. It's akin to wearing glasses that only reveal the shadows. Imagine receiving feedback on a presentation. Despite 9 positive comments, you fixate on the one negative remark, letting it overshadow the good. It's essential to recognize and appreciate the positive, no matter how small. Then there's personalizing, where you attribute external events to your perceived failings. For instance, if a group project at work falls behind, you might unjustly blame yourself, overlooking the multitude of factors at play. Remember, not everything is within your control. Catastrophizing, another form of negative self-talk, involves expecting the worst. Missing a minor bill payment, for example, doesn't have to spiral into catastrophic thoughts about ruined credit scores and unattainable dreams. It's about preparing for the worst, but hoping for the best. Polarizing, on the other hand, is seeing things in extremes, perfect or horrible. A slightly imperfect new recipe doesn't equate to being a terrible cook. Life is a spectrum of experiences, each teaching us and allowing for growth. The next time you find yourself engulfed in negative self-talk, pause and reflect. Are you filtering out the positive, blaming yourself unjustly, expecting the worst, or seeing things in black and white? If so, take a step back and shift your perspective towards positivity. Listen to your inner voice. What does it convey? Is it uplifting or burdened with doubts and insecurities? Write these thoughts down. Acknowledge them, but don't flee from them. Challenge them, for they are not immutable truths, but mere opinions, shaped by past experiences and fears. For every negative thought, counter it with a positive affirmation. Replace "I can't" with "I can" and "I will." Mia Yamanouchi aptly said, "The way you choose to think and speak about yourself is a choice." You may have spent a lifetime in self-deprecation, but that doesn't mean you can't embark on a new path. Be as kind to yourself as you would to your best friend. We often subject ourselves to criticism that is neither fair nor true. If you miss a promotion or forget your car key, be gentle with yourself. We all err, we all have our imperfections, and we all face bad days. Yet, these do not define us as individuals. If your friends cancel dinner plans, it's not a reflection of your worth. Don't take everything personally. Understand that their reasons are independent of you. Practice kindness towards yourself, and stop internalizing every external event. And remember, as Leo Tolstoy said, if you look for perfection, you'll never be content. Perfection is an unattainable ideal, one that fosters negative thoughts. Accept your flaws. Understand that making progress is more crucial than achieving perfection. Striving to please everyone or ruminating over past arguments only invites negativity back into your life. Comparing yourself to others is another gateway to negative thinking. There will always be someone who appears to be faring better, but that should not diminish your journey. Focus on your progress, cherish your achievements, and be content with what you have. Gratitude is a powerful tool. Remind yourself of all the things you're thankful for: your family, friends, home, health, and every little blessing. This practice can significantly uplift your spirits and transform your outlook. Your mind is akin to a fertile garden. The seeds you plant will determine what grows. Start sowing thoughts of positivity, strength, love, and courage. Embrace mindfulness through meditation or simple breathing exercises. Be present in the moment and release any negative thoughts that hinder your progress. Surround yourself with positivity through people, books, music, and experiences that feed your soul and support your newfound mindset. Remember, controlling your inner dialogue is a gradual process requiring patience and consistent effort. Make it a part of your daily routine, and over time, you will witness a remarkable transformation. When negative thoughts arise, don't ignore them. Instead, engage with them compassionately and understandingly. This approach fosters self-forgiveness and greater self-awareness. Thank you for joining me on today's enlightening journey on Pathway Pearls. If you found value in our discussion, please share it with your loved ones and share your thoughts with us. May divine love always guide and accompany you on your path to self-discovery and inner peace.